by snails and earwigs. So this is how you harvest it. So to harvest, you pull and twist, or twist and pull. And look at the end. That's the end. And that's how you harvest rhubarb. The leaves are poisonous. It's just the stalk that's edible. This plant looks just like rhubarb, but it's a poisonous weed. I'm not sure what it's called, but it has a deep taproot system. So it's growing right next to the rhubarb and can be easily mistaken for rhubarb. So be careful what you pick. That's the one we picked is strawberry rhubarb. The other green type of rhubarb hybrid looks very much like this. So beware. So take the ends off. And then peel the outer layer. Stick of rhubarb. This is a very young plant. I've harvested it twice during the season, and so I'll get another harvest probably in a few weeks before the frost sets in. You can remove the stringy parts, and then so rhubarb can be frozen. I just snip it into little pieces like this. This can be frozen, or it can be used fresh for rhubarb crumbles, pies, and actually for East Indian recipes I like putting it in dal. It has a slightly sour taste, so it can make sourdough, and it's really nice. We don't get the sour herbs such unless you grow it yourself and you try and get the seeds from somewhere. But this can be readily available during the summer, so I try and use this to get some nutrition out of it by putting it in dal and stuff like that. So this is a frozen bag of rhubarb, and it's ready for winter. Just chopped and put in there, and whenever you want it, you can thaw it out at room temperature and use it.